Today we're focusing on a component that doesn't get the spotlight it deserves but is absolutely critical for diesel engines, the diesel fuel injection pump compatible with the 6CT ISC8 CPL2101 engine, including part numbers 0, 402, 736, 840, 3,922,426, and 0402736840. This isn't just another engine part, it's a key element in keeping heavy-duty engines running smoothly, efficiently, and reliably. If you're looking to purchase one, you'll find a link in the description below. Fuel injection pumps are at the core of a diesel engine's performance. Their primary job is to deliver precise amounts of diesel into the combustion chamber at the exact timing and pressure required. When everything is calibrated correctly, the engine performs at peak efficiency, delivering the power, torque, and fuel economy expected. But if the pump is faulty or worn, performance suffers. This can lead to rough idling, difficulty starting, loss of power, increased smoke, and even potential long-term engine damage. For engines like the 6CT ISC8, which operate in challenging environments like construction, agriculture, and transport, a reliable injection pump is absolutely essential. This pump is designed to match the CPL2101 configuration for the 6CT ISC8 engine. That means the design, tolerances, and calibration are made to meet the original specifications, so there's no guessing about whether it will function properly. It aligns with the original part numbers, 0, 402, 736, 840, 3,922,426, and 0402736840, ensuring that it's fully compatible and precise. This is important because even minor deviations in fuel pressure or timing can affect performance and potentially damage other engine components. Durability is another area where this pump shines. Diesel engines are frequently exposed to high stress, extreme temperatures, and long operating hours. Construction machinery, transport vehicles, and agricultural engines all rely on components that can endure constant wear and tear. This pump is engineered with high-quality materials and precision engineering to ensure it withstands these harsh conditions without compromising performance. The seals, machining tolerances, and internal components are all built to last, providing consistent performance even under heavy load. Performance benefits go beyond just durability. A well-calibrated fuel injection pump ensures accurate metering of fuel to each cylinder, which improves combustion efficiency. Proper atomization reduces smoke, optimizes fuel consumption, and maintains engine power. This also means smoother acceleration and more consistent operation across a wide range of RPMs. Diesel engines are known for their torque and reliability, and the right injection pump helps sustain that over time. One aspect that's often overlooked is how the fuel injection pump affects emissions. Diesel engines are subject to strict emission regulations, and a pump that delivers inconsistent fuel can cause incomplete combustion. This results in excess smoke, higher particulate emissions, and reduced efficiency. Installing a pump that's fully compatible with the engine ensures that fuel delivery is precise, keeping emissions within acceptable limits and helping the engine run cleaner. Installation is straightforward thanks to the precise compatibility with the 6CT ISC8 engine. The bolt patterns, fuel line connections, and calibration points match the original setup, which makes replacement faster and reduces the chances of installation errors. For operators, fleet managers, and mechanics, this is a significant advantage. Time saved during installation translates to less downtime and more productivity. Another major advantage is the cost-effectiveness of this replacement. While genuine OEM pumps can be expensive, a high-quality compatible pump like this offers similar performance and reliability at a more affordable price. For fleet operations or individual engine owners, this allows for maintenance that doesn't compromise performance while keeping costs manageable. Reliability, affordability, and precision all come together in a package that maintains engine longevity. Running a diesel engine with a faulty pump can be extremely damaging. Poor combustion can stress pistons, valves, and cylinder walls. Inconsistent fuel pressure can negatively affect other engine systems, potentially leading to expensive repairs. Replacing a worn or failing pump with a precise compatible unit is preventive maintenance that preserves the engine's health and keeps it operating at factory-level performance. In practical terms, this pump is about peace of mind. Engines like the 6CT ISC8 are often